Good morning, crafters. I'm coming in with another KSCraft Lover Store project. They are on Aliexpress and they also have an Amazon shop. So if you want to pick up these dies that I'm about to show you, definitely go ahead and check out their store. I will have their links down below. So this little die that I'm using today is a super cute semi-trailer truck. I think it is so cute and fun for a little boy's card, a Father's Day card, someone who's going to have a baby boy. I just think it's totally adorable. And I'm going to show you my card in just a minute. You could also make it for a girl who loves trucks too. So I want to share with you that this is designed by Ben, Nicole Silhouette's husband. That's what she is on YouTube, and her Etsy store is Nicole Paper Crafts. And so you'll definitely need to check out her store if you want to get some digital cuts. And so anyway, I just wanted to share that with you really quick. I just love it, love it, love it. And one thing I love is how they created this piece right here with all these little dies in here so that I don't have to store all these little itty bitty tiny pieces. So I decided to keep most of them together on the same thing. That way I wouldn't lose any pieces because I am well known for doing that. But I also use the KSCraft Lovers Birthday Sentiments. And I just love this little package. So it comes with your background and then of course the words itself. So we have celebrate, we have birthday, we have hooray, happy, and then wishes. So definitely everything you need for a birthday celebration or a celebration. Let me go ahead and show you the card. So this is a really simple 4x6 card, super easy. And I use the Photoplay father line, but instead of just using any of the stuff that said dad or happy Father's Day on it, I decided just to keep it simple and use just the pattern papers and then one of the stickers from the collection. And then also here are the birthday sentiments. And isn't this truck adorable? I just love it. I did kind of layer this twice, so I added a little bit of the black background and kind of offset it a bit. I mean, just barely, so that you could see that. And then I popped it out with some foam. The rest I just glued straight down, and I just love how it turned out. So it says celebrate, and then on the inside, I used our happy birthday sentiment. So I hope that my little nephew loves it, although he probably won't really understand what's going on because he's only turning 1. But he is a super precious little kid, and we just love him. So anyway, I just wanted to jump in and share this with you really quick. I know this is a super fast video, but I will hopefully be coming in soon with another project for you. And it's going to be Halloween themed. So anyway, I hope you all have a wonderful and fabulous day. Again, don't forget to check out the AliExpress shop or KSCraft Lover Store. Bye-bye, guys.